You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than negative 70. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 11/2 to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 10/-3. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than negative 70.